Halloween is right around the corner, so we're well into pumpkin carving season. I wanted to try and create an ugly Halloween face. Some might say it's a self-portrait, but I'll let you decide. I started by peeling off the rind and using a scraper to form the initial shape, defining the brow, under the nose and mouth before scooping away material where the eyes will be. Adding deeper grooves to define the nose and add detailing around the eyes and brows helped to guide what needed to be removed. It really came to life once the mouth and cheeks were defined more. I wasn't sure whether or not to poke the eyes fully through, but I decided to try and carve them instead. Adding the pupils really did help on this one. I did poke the mouth through, and I'm glad I did because it added some real depth and it went a long way to add some expression to the face. Growing up, I would always do the same design, cut out triangles for eyes and add spiky teeth to form a mouth. Boring. So why don't we try something a little bit different? I'm going to utilise the classic look, but switch it up a little bit with half carved into a pumpkin skull. The tools I'm using to do this are a classic veg peeler and some pottery tools. These actually work really well for carving pumpkins, and there is an affiliate link down in the description below if you'd like to check them out. I start by roughing out the design and removing material around the eye and the teeth. Slowly but surely, as material's removed, you start to see the shape reveal itself. I find that using the tools in a light scraping motion tends to work best. Don't try to cut away too much material at once. Carving back into the skin of the pumpkin helps to see that it is actually a 3D carving, and it gives some nice shadow lines as well. Up next, we've got a tall pumpkin that unfortunately had some rotten spots that went all the way through. Let's just ignore those and let's get on with the design. Squid Games is everywhere right now, so I just had to have a go at carving a mask. I started with the oval shape of the mask itself and tried to create that shadow line around the edge. The pumpkin's skin is kind of like the hoodie. The large scraper worked really well at curving the edges and smoothing out the transitions. Next, it was time to add some detail markings for the mask. The large scraper worked really well to cut these parts out too. The triangular edge created a perfect groove. It worked brilliantly on the triangle design too. A regular kitchen sponge works to smooth it all out and cleans away any debris. The masks in the show are all perforated, so to give this effect, I've punched through lots of little holes all over the design. It's actually quite effective. I really hope that these three designs have inspired you to maybe move away from the regular triangle eyes and spiky teeth for a mouth design and maybe try something a little bit different this Halloween. If you did like it, click that like button and make sure you subscribe to On a Budget for more crafty ideas, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications too. Thank you all for watching.